Alright. Well, we are out here. Say hi.
Hello.
Taking a break from the knife making and enjoying an evening on the water. Jetski. Yeah, that's what we got going on. Take a look at this view. Love it out here. See if I can zoom in. Zoom back out. Well, how do I turn the camera back around now? And yep. So that's what we got going on. Yeah, let's see if I can just set the camera down. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Watch, I'm gonna hit a wave and like my camera goes, or my phone goes in the water. So, one of the things we do out here, we're hunting for tugboats. Because when we find a tugboat, there's a massive wave that follows it. And that's a lot of fun. Right, Jimmy?
Yes.
Yes.
A lot of fun.
A lot of fun. Yeah, we catch some major air, and then when we get home, we tell the wife about it. She gets mad at us. But it's a lot of fun. Look, he's sticking his foot in the water. I'm gonna show you putting your foot in the water.
Oh, I like that.
Every time he does that, I feel water on my feet. And it makes me think, oh, my white leg. It makes me think taking on water. It kind of freaks me out. Let's do this. Let me find a better way to hold my phone so I don't drop it. 3, 2, 1, and go. It'll do about 70, but yeah, I felt like I was about to lose my phone there. Yeah, that's fun. All right, well, that's about all I got. Bye.